Today is a new day. Today is a day for you to begin creating a joyous, fulfilling life. Today is the day to begin to release all your limitations. You can change your life for the better. You already have the tools within you to do this. These tools are your thoughts and your beliefs. I will teach you how to use these tools to improve the quality of your life. For those of you who are not familiar with the benefits of positive affirmations, I would like to explain a little about them. An affirmation is really anything you say or think. A lot of what we normally say and think is quite negative and does not create good experiences for us. Please realize that every complaint is an affirmation of something you think you don't want in your life. Every time you get angry, you are affirming that you want more anger in your life. Every time you feel like a victim, you are affirming that you want to continue to feel like a victim. If you feel that life does not give you what you want in your world, then it is certain you will never have the goodies that life gives to others until you change the way you think and thought. We have to retrain our thinking and speaking into positive patterns if we want to change our lives. Affirmations opens the way. It is a beginning point of change. In essence, you are saying to your subconscious mind, I am taking responsibility. I am aware that there is something I can do to change. Doing affirmations is to consciously choose words that will either help to eliminate something from your life or help to create something new in your life. Every thought you think and every word you speak is an affirmation. All our self-talk is a stream of affirmations. You are using affirmations every moment, whether you know it or not. You are affirming and creating your life experiences with every word and every thought. Your beliefs are merely habitual thinking patterns that you learned as a child. Many of them work very well for you. Other beliefs may be limiting your ability to create the very things you may say you want. What you want and what you believe you deserve may be different. You need to pay attention to your thoughts so you can begin to eliminate the ones that are creating experiences that you do not want in your life. Your parents probably didn't know this, so they could not possibly teach it to you. They taught you how to look at life in the way that their parents taught them, so nobody is wrong. However, it is time for all of us to wake up and to begin to consciously create our lives in a way that pleases and supports us. You can do it. I can do it. We can all do it. You just need to learn how. So let's get to it. I will talk about affirmations about wealth and show you how to make positive changes in your finances. Once you learn how to use affirmations, then you can apply the principle in all situations. Some people say that affirmations don't work, which is an affirmation in itself. What they mean is they don't know how to use them correctly. They may say, my prosperity is growing, and think, oh, no. This is stupid. I know it won't work. Now, which affirmation will win out? The negative one, because it is part of our habitual thinking patterns of looking at life. Sometimes people will say their affirmations once a day and then complain the rest of the time. It will take a long time for affirmation to work if it is done this way. The complaining affirmations will always win because there are more of them and they are usually said with great feelings. Saying our affirmations is only part of the procedure. What we do for the rest of the day and night is even more important. The secrets to having your affirmations work quickly and consistently is to prepare the atmosphere for them to grow in. Affirmations are like seeds planted in soil. Poor growth. Rich soil, abundant growth. The more you can choose to think thoughts that make you feel good, the quicker the affirmations work. The way you choose to think right now is just a choice. You may not realize it because you have thought this way for so long, but it really is just a choice. Now, today, this moment, you can choose to change your thinking. It won't turn around overnight, but if you are consistent and daily make the choice to think thoughts that make you feel good, you will definitely make positive changes in every area of your life. Doing affirmations is consciously choosing to think certain thoughts or words you use in the now that will create positive results in the future. It is a focal point to begin. When you choose to say, I am very prosperous. You may have very little money in the bank at the moment. What you're doing is planting seeds for future prosperity. Each time you repeat it, you are affirming the seeds you have planted in the atmosphere of your mind. This is why you want it to be a happy atmosphere. Things grow much quicker in fertile, rich soil. It is important for you to always say your affirmations in present tense. I have, or I am. Or if you say I am going to, or I will have, then it stays out there in the future. The universe takes your thoughts and words very literally and gives you what you say you want always. Think of it this way. Every thought you think counts. So don't waste your precious thoughts. Every positive thought brings good into your life. Every negative thought pushes good away. It keeps it out of your reach. How many times in your life have you almost gotten something good and it seemed to be just snatched away at the last moment? If you could remember your mental atmosphere at those times, you would have the answer. Too many negative thoughts create the barrier against positive affirmations. We are all under the law of our own consciousness, and only we attract specific experiences to us by the way we think. When you change your thinking process, then everything in your life will also change. You will be amazed and delighted to see how people, places, things and circumstances can change. This does not mean for you to be frightened of every thought you think, because when you first begin to make the change over and really pay attention to your thoughts, you will be horrified to realize how negative your thinking has been. So when you catch a negative thought, just think to yourself, this is an old thought. I no longer choose to think that way. Learn to turn your negative affirmations around into positive ones. Find a positive thought to substitute for it as quickly as you can, such as, I never have enough money. 2. Money flows into my life in an abundant way. I am not creative. 2. I'm discovering talents I did not know I had. I'm stuck in a lousy job. 2. Wonderful new doors are opening for me all the time. I'm not good enough. 2. I'm in the process of positive changes and I deserve the best. Remember, you want to feel good as much as possible. Thoughts of bitterness, resentment, blame, and guilt make you feel miserable, and that is a habit you really want to release. Affirmations are solutions that will replace whatever problem you might have. Whenever you have a problem, repeat over and over, all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this situation, only good will come. And I am safe. This simple affirmation will work miracles in your life. Practice the affirmations and remember to make up affirmations of your own. You and only you have the ability to customize your own life cycle. So, change your thinking now and get going. The world is yours.